Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources.
ForexLive, August 15, 1732 America, New York. What the rout in Afghanistan means for markets. Not much impact. The swift fall of Afghanistan caught the world off guard, with President Ashraf Ghani fleeing the capital as it fell. It will certainly be the major geopolitical story this week, but I don't see any angles where it will affect markets. ForexLive, August 15, 1714 America, New York. MUFG trade of the coming week. Buy USD, JPY. USD, JPY fractionally higher early in the week. MUFG is out with its latest trade of the week. They recommend buying USD, JPY with a target of 112.20 and a stop at 108.75.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. August 15, 1652 America, New York. Hyatt plans to buy Apple Leisure Group from KKR and KSL Capital for $2.7 billion. The transaction is the latest sign of optimism about a return to vacation travel, even as the U.S. economy continues to grapple with the coronavirus pandemic.
ForexLive, August 15, 1646 America, New York. ForexLive's 13th anniversary, Trade Ideas Edition. What a journey on this day in 2008, ForexLive was launched. Above as in from our friend Sean Lee. Old post: the financial crisis was raging and the world was being reshaped. ForexLive, August 15, 1612 America, New York. New week in the Forex market. Early indications show pressure on the pound. How is the open shaping up? The US dollar slumped on Friday after a survey, but early indications are for little follow through at the open. Instead, the pound is indicated weaker.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. August 15, 1500 America, New York. Economy week ahead. Retail sales, industrial output, Fed minutes. Markets this week will focus on U.S. retail sales and minutes from the Federal Reserve's July policy meeting. Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. August 15, 1358 America, New York. The Delta variant is already leaving its mark on business. The COVID-19 variant is damping consumer demand and raising costs for business after a spring and summer that seemed to promise a rapid recovery. The unanswered question: is this a stumble or a fall?
Marginal Revolution. August 15, 1243 America, New York. Sunday assorted links. 1. A problem in Bommel's cost disease argument. 2. Further fluvoxamine coverage. With a dose of Canadian nationalism. And Andy Slavitt agrees with the Israelis.
New York Times Business. August 15, 1214 America, New York. Michael Thomas, writer and bête noire of the moneyed class, dies at 85. His early careers as an art historian and Wall Street financier informed his financial thrillers, which often savaged the rich and powerful.
Daily FX Market News. August 15, 12 o'clock America, New York. Markets week ahead. S&P P500, gold prices, US dollar, FOMC minutes, NZD, USD, RBNZ rate hike. The S&P P500 gained as gold prices recovered from a flash crash early last week. A drop in Treasury yields on Friday sank the US dollar. Will an RBNZ rate hike further bolster the New Zealand dollar?
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. August 15, 10 o'clock America, New York. U.S. economy likely to outgrow China's in short term. China's pandemic response initially drove faster economic growth, but the U.S. poured more resources into recovery, fueling faster gains in coming quarters, economists say.
Wall Street Journal Markets. August 15, 9:36 America, New York. Something is awry in the Treasury market this summer. Bond yields have tumbled during the past 3 months. Yet equities are at new highs and corporate bonds are close to the most expensive they've ever been. What gives?
Armstrong Economics. August 15, 9:25 America, New York. Comment on the trend. I continue to believe that this virus was manufactured and deliberately released neither by China nor the U.S. military, and at the same time, we have the Grand Wizard Bill now calling to end all beef consumption, and simultaneously, there is a rising call to reduce the population.
Daily FX Market News. August 15, 9 o'clock America, New York. Dow Jones, Nasdaq 100, S&P P500 forecasts for the week ahead. The Dow Jones and S&P P500 rose as the Nasdaq 100 ranged. Treasury yields seem to be on the rise, with stocks eyeing Fed Chair Jerome Powell, FOMC minutes and U.S. retail sales data.
Marginal Revolution. August 15. 7:32 America New York, shame. 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 The Afghanistan war was an epic disaster. Nothing good came of it. The least we can do as we evacuate, however, is to help all the Afghanis who helped us and who are now under death threat from the Taliban.
New York Times Business. August 15. 7 o'clock America New York, the week in business. A big step for infrastructure spending. The next step for the $1 trillion bipartisan bill is the House. And its future there is not guaranteed.
Naked Capitalism. August 15. 5:45 America New York. Why economists don't write more papers on political finance. Despite the commonly held views of economists on regulatory capture, our profession has been much more hesitant in recognizing similar conflicts of interests that may exist in economics research.
Wall Street Journal Markets. August 15. 5:30 America New York. China's corporate crackdown adds to junk bond distress. The government's campaign to reduce debt in sectors such as real estate has put many developers in a tight spot, sending high-yield bond prices tumbling.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. August 15. 5:30 America New York. Carvana's success rides on used car loans. The online used car dealer, known for its vehicle vending machine towers, has a secret sauce. A unique accounting treatment that lets it book quick profits on car loans. Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. August 15. 5:30 America New York. Sleep apnea sufferers scramble after Philips recall of critical machine. Prices soar for alternate devices and some users try a do-it-yourself fix after machines are found to emit potentially harmful gases and particles.
Wall Street Journal Markets. August 15. 5:30 America New York. Carvana's success rides on used car loans. The online used car dealer, known for its vehicle vending machine towers, has a secret sauce. A unique accounting treatment that lets it book quick profits on car loans.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. August 15. 5:30 America New York. Restaurants become the new vaccine enforcers. Dining out in some places now requires proof of COVID-19 vaccination, putting workers in tough spots, but some owners say they will do whatever it takes to avoid another shutdown.